Today, I'm making a very healthy yet utterly delicious soup. We're making moringa and mung bean soup today. Now, moringa is actually the leaves of the drumstick plant that we eat, which are called moringa leaves, and they have countless benefits. Both mung beans and moringa are called superfoods. We all know how beneficial mung beans are, but moringa also has countless benefits, whether it's blood pressure, diabetes, or heart disease. Doctors even advise drinking moringa soup for cancer as well. So today, let's combine both of these superfoods and make a tasty mung bean and moringa soup. So to make the soup, first I take these moringa leaves. You can remove them very easily. Just hold the stem lightly like this and peel it off. All the leaves will come out. It's very easy to clean moringa leaves. You see, they get cleaned easily like this. So now we'll wash these leaves well 3 to 4 times. Now, to make the soup, I have taken 1 cup of mung beans here, and I have soaked these mung beans for 5 to 6 hours. And now let's add the moringa leaves. I've also taken approximately 1 cup of moringa leaves. Along with that, let's add a small piece of ginger, 1 medium-sized onion, and 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. And finally, let's add salt. And now, add about 1 cup of water and boil it over medium heat until the cooker whistles 3 times. If you can't find moringa leaves anywhere, you can also make this soup with moringa pods. Instead of the leaves, you can cut the moringa pod into pieces and boil it using the same procedure, because after boiling, we have to blend and strain it anyway. All right, the cooker has cooled down. Let's check it. All right, it has boiled really well. Now let's let it cool down a bit and then blend it. Now we will strain this soup using a coarse strainer. If you used leaves and don't want to strain it, you can skip straining it, but if you use drumsticks, you should definitely strain it. Now, this soup is not very thick, so at this time, I will add about half a cup more water to it. Actually, you can consume this healthy soup as it is. But if you want to give it to kids, we add a tempering of butter to it. For the tempering, take a little butter in a pan, and as soon as the butter heats up, add about half a teaspoon of Carom Seeds and Cumin Seeds. Whenever you make mung bean soup, always add a tempering of Carom Seeds and Cumin Seeds. It gives a really good flavor with Mung. So now let's pour this butter tempering into the soup. All right. The soup has come to a boil for the last time, so let's turn off the heat and serve it quickly. And finally, let's squeeze some lemon juice on top. So here it is, the superfood soup made with Moong and moringa, delicious and tasty. Yum! This soup really turns out so tasty that even if you give it to kids, they'll happily drink it.